And they're off. Fars and Smooth Daddy go out for the early lead, and it is Fars with a narrow lead over Smooth Daddy. Then it's Jay Gatsby, Marcy, and Time Test will be the early trailer in fifth as they swing around that clubhouse turn, and it's Fars on top here by a head. On the outside is Smooth Daddy, who's racing in second. Then it's a break of 2.5 lengths. Marcy is third by a head. Jay Gatsby down at the rail, and Time Test is allowed to trail at this point. The favorite is at the back after a quarter over the yielding turf in 25 4/5 seconds. Smooth Daddy and Fars are right together as the field heads up the back stretch. It's a length and a half to Marcy, who's racing in third. Then Jay Gatsby and Time Tests still the trailer midway up the back stretch. Now Smooth Daddy has taken over the lead from Fars. Smooth Daddy's in front by a length. Marcy moves up on the outside. Fars is down at the rail. Time Test has advanced into fourth. Jay Gatsby is fifth. Just 2.5 lengths separating the field. The half was run in 51 seconds. They head for the far turn. Smooth Daddy, 3/4 of a length. Marcy in second. Time Test on the outside of Fars. The gray Jay Gatsby is the trailer. Smooth Daddy, Marcy. Now the two of them are right together, and Time Test is a close-up third as they come for the head of the stretch. It's Marcy, Smooth Daddy, and Time Test on the outside. So three of them across the track, and here comes Time Test now on the outside. Time Test, Marcy in between horses. Smooth Daddy is down at the rail. It's a battle here. The three of them heads apart for the lead. Time Test pokes ahead in front. Smooth Daddy continues to battle on. They come down for the finish in the Fort Marcy, and it's a head bob. Could go either way. Time Test on the outside and Smooth Daddy on the inside.